Casino again, dribbling the ball, setting the play. Casino to inside pass to Martinez. Outside pass to Casino, double the point territory, cover the rebound the ball by Mister. Bautista, double team, pass to. Set the ball to Benaventura. Benaventura again, inside pass to Trino, to Casino. Kelby. To Bautista, double the territory, cover the rebound the ball by Mr. Casino. To Benaventura. Benaventura to Casino. To Landrino. Inside pass to set the ball by Mr. Garcia. Garcia again. Bring away the ball by Mr. Kelby. Kelby again, challenge by Mr. Casino. Speed. The pass to Nistela. No good, but there's a foul coming from number 23. Martinez. Two free throw by Mr. Disterio. First place, good. Second throw, good again, 2 for 2 by Mr. Disterio. Dinapul to Buenaventura. Buenaventura again to Mastino. Mastino setting the play, challenge by Mr. Batanya. Foul coming from number 13, Batanya. De La Cruz keep fouling the ball to Buenaventura. Buenaventura again. Check the ball by Mr. Kelby. Kelby again all the way. Lays it up and good. Running score 31-30 in favor of Rocco De La Cruz. To Mastino. Challenge by Mr. Kelby. Mastino again. Inside pass to same ball. And 18 seconds. Time to play at the third quarter. In terms of the ball to Mr. Bautista. Pass straight pass to Kelby. Kelby again. Lays it up. Hinihintay mo pa ha? Mastino, Bartlett. Lays it up. Hinihintay pa eh. Garcia, definitely by territory, no good. Rebound the ball by Mr. Casino. Casino again. Bring down the ball. To Landrino. Landrino again. Inside pass to Benaventura. Shot. Drop pass to De La Cruz. Rejected shot. Garcia recover the ball. To Disterio. Disterio bring down the ball. To Disterio again. Rebound the ball by Mr. Casino. Casino challenge by Mr. Batalla. Casino again. Take ball. Coming Number 7, Landrino out. Benaventura out.
Nagpapanis kaya po, nagpapasundo.
Okay, hindi mo. Lapit lang naman yun. Ingat ka ha.
Martinez, double by Mr. Boyd, Landrino. Boom! Suminak ka lang! Disterio sharing the play. Inside pass to take the ball by Mr. Martinez. Martinez again. Recover the ball. Challenge by Mr. Batalla. And they get the ball by Mr. Bautista. Bautista all the way. Lays it up. Bautista play. Bautista again. To the shoulder. Over. Rebound the ball by Mr. Casino. Casino bring down the ball. Casino again from the center. Chavez. Cover. Casino for 20 minutes. Pagan Chavez. Jeffrey, bring down the ball, challenge Mr. Casino. Kelvin again. To Desiderio, back to Melvin, pass, there's the rocket! Good. Castillo. Two. Yung over the ball by Mr. Martinez. Martinez again, tarik from Mr. Batana, intercept the ball Mr. Garcia for Kelvin. Kelvin again. Step over. Give out the ball by Mr. Castillo. Castillo again, tarik from Mr. Batana, intercept the ball Mr. Batana to Kelvin. 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 Over, in and out. Recover the ball by Mr. Desiderio. Desiderio again. Kelvin. Kelvin again, atake na basket, penetrate, laser up, shoot, kasapor, coming from, Carver. 19. Timeout, Trevor. Lewis, good. Back Number 6 from Canisete out. It's a better all for the bye. Diaz full of Jeffrey, Evan. Look over the ball by Mr. Diaz. Diaz again, baseline Jeffrey. Basket, coming from Mr. Diaz. Desiderio. Pescicula, Jefferson, they get going over the ball by Mr. Martinez. Martinez brings down the ball, challenge by Mr. Pescicula. Martinez takes it up his school. Desiderio brings down the ball. Desiderio again. Two. Mendoza challenge by Mr. Diaz. Mendoza again. No, over, bring down the ball by Mr. Diaz. Diaz delivering down the ball. Diaz again to Martinez. Atake na the basket. Takes it up. Over. The rebound the ball by Mr. Mendoza. Pass fake pass to Sipulan. Sipulan again. Hey. To Desiderio. It's good. Diaz delivering down the ball. To Hudson. Hudson again, atake na the basket, takes it off, no good. All of that Mr. Aguilar, no good again, Diaz with the putback, no good again, Diaz again, no good again, rebound the ball by Mr. Martinez from the center, two, check the ball by Mr. Tago. To Desiderio. Desiderio bring down the ball. Desiderio again, setting the play. To Mendoza, shot from the point and take, no good, rebound the ball by Mr. Diaz. To Diaz. Diaz again, pass break, pass Martinez. Martinez again, take over the ball. Keys, lays it up. But there's a ball coming from Carver. Again, Mendoza.
Yung apo o yung mas bata?
Hindi, mas bata. Yan na lang kaliit sa akin. Siguro ganito. Sinasalaksakan yung mga scooter.
Lobo ball, it's the table. Aguilar is counting the ball. To Diaz, down, it's no good. Rebound the ball by Mr. Mendoza. To Desiderio. Desiderio brings down the ball. Desiderio again, setting the play, challenge Mr. Aguilar. Looking for Stevens, inside pass to Nicola. To Desiderio, baseline jumper, it's no good. Rebound the ball by Mr. Rosa. To Diaz. Diaz again to Martinez. Martinez to Diaz, inside pass to Aguilar from the baseline. 25 seconds to play at the third quarter. Desiderio delivering the ball. Desiderio again. Double team. To Tago. Tago again, atake na the basket. Side step move, inside pass to pushing foul, going front, number 9, Nago. Number 9, Nago. Completed the foul.
Oh, sila pa nakikita dyan. Kainin mo ako gabi.
10 seconds. Aguilar, double move. 5 seconds.
Dami rin.
2 seconds. Martinez inbounding the ball. Picked up Diaz.